Hello everyone. In this topic of LED programming, till now we have done a few LED programs where we switched on and off LED. Then we did switch on and switch off of LED multiple times using the repeat block. So let me do the program once again. So we had set digital pin on, wait 1 second, set digital pin 9, low, and then we use the repeat block 3 times. So this was a program where we switched on and switched off the LED 3 times. Let me introduce you a new block. This is repeating a certain number of times. But what if I want to repeat it continuously without stopping? If I want to do that, then I don't use the repeat block. You may say that, okay, I can write here 1000 or 10,000, but that is still a finite number. I want to do it infinitely. I want to do it continuously. In that case, we don't use repeat block, but we use a forever block. And we put this inside. Now observe, important thing between these two blocks, forever block and repeat block. Repeat block has a notch out here at the bottom, and forever block does not have it. So that means we cannot attach anything after forever block. I can attach a few things after repeat block, but cannot attach things after forever block. One more important difference you should be able to see is when we were using the repeat block, on this side, on the Arduino program area, you can see the code is written inside here, void setup. Observe this. And now I remove that. The code is gone from the setup. I use forever and I connect this code inside here. Let's say, and observe that only the pin mode, setting of the pin mode is done here. Rest all code is written here inside the loop. And loop is the place where you write code which runs continuously without interruption, without stopping. So this is a program for switching on and off LED continuously, or it is also called as blinking of the LED. Make the program, upload it in your Curio Fire board and test it.